Good morning, cookies. It's time for Number Corner. We're going to take a look at our calendar grid. We started off with what shape? You're right, that's a circle. And then we added a rectangle. We're going to try and figure out what today's pattern piece is, and we're going to use this pattern strip to try to figure it out. We started with a circle, just like ours, and then a rectangle. What shape is this? You think it's that? Let's find out. Remember I taught you how to do a drum roll. Drum roll. Here we go, and it is boom. What shape is that? You're right, it's a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So sometimes triangles look like this. Sometimes they're this way. Sometimes they're this way. But the one thing that triangles all have the same are the 3 sides. So, very good guessing. So if we look up here, we have circle, rectangle, triangle. And if we count, 1, 2, 3. So today is September 3rd, 2020. If we go up here, it is Thursday. Let's go over the months together. I'm just going to fix this so you guys can see all the days as I point to them. Remember, I say it, then you say it. You ready? January. February. Your turn. March. April. May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Nice job, cookies. And we're going to do our song for the days of the week. I sing it, you sing it. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, your turn. Tuesday, Wednesday, your turn. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, your turn. Awesome job, cookies. Do you remember what shape today was? Good memory. That is a triangle, and we have a song here to learn about how we know it is a triangle. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3 straight sides. Your turn. And corners there are 3. Triangles here, triangles there. Lots for you and me. Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3 straight sides and corners there are 3. Triangles here, triangles there, lots for you and me. Let me hang that back up, and it's hanging on a clip that says the word triangle. You spell the word triangle, Triangle. Did you know you can make a triangle with your hands? If you take your fingers like this and you put them together, you get a triangle. Okay, we're going to move over. You're walking with me. Are you walking? Are you walking? And here we go. Over here for the rest of our number corner. So we're going to add a dot today. Red dot, you remembered. And it's going to go on my nose? No. It's going up on this thing. Do you remember what it's called? You're right, it's a 10 frame. And we're going to add that up there. Now, you're going to help me count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. You're right, 4. Do you know how to make 4 with your fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. You hold your thumb down. That's how we show 4 with our fingers. And we also need to add a link. So when I add the link to here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 again. And now I'm going to show you how to write a number 4. Are you ready? This is the way Miss B learned how to do it. You ready? Down, over, down some more. That's how you make the number 4. You might see 4s differently depending on what type of writing is chosen on a computer or on books or way people write them. You might see a 4 that looks like this. It's still a 4, but in our classroom we write it like this. Even though we might see it like this and it just happens, our card down here and our number line looks just like that. But that way of writing is a computer way, or the way some grown-ups learn to write. We call those different fonts when we see it in writing. Okay, it's time to spin the spinner. Are you ready? I'm going to spin, and I'm just going to flick it, and it's going to stop, and I'm going to hold it right where it stopped. What number is it pointing to? You're right, the number 2. Show me 2 fingers. Did you show me this? Very good. So now I need to count out how many Unifix cubes? You're right, 2. So here we go. Got my hand ready. 1, 2. So as a mathematician, I'm going to double check. Are you ready? Help me count. 1, 2. Where am I going to put these? On my head? No, silly Ms. B. Am I going to put them in my mouth? No. They go in the calendar collector. So I'm going to put them up here. Whoops, Ms. B just dropped one. Make sure they all get in there. So we're going to put those all in there, and soon we're going to count how many we collected for the week. We need to add our number 4 to the number line. And so I come over here to the number line. We did 1, 2, 3. So now I need to add 4. So we're going to go down, over, down some more to make the number 4. Now, I want to introduce you to something new today. I'm going to show it to you, and I want you to just look at it for a minute and think about, what do you notice? What's your mind telling you about this card? Did your mind see lots of lines and boxes? Did your mind tell you there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes? Well, guess what? This is called a 5 frame because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes in it. So I'm going to, let's double check. You ready? Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, as a mathematician, we want to be accurate. So when we touch what we're counting, we know we've counted it. We don't miss it. We don't skip it. And it helps us keep track. So now I'm going to show you a new one. Are you ready? What do you notice about this card? It is a 5 frame still because there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes in it. But now we have some dots on it. Can you help me count them? Say it with me. 1, 2, 3. Can you show me 3 with your fingers? That's right. This is 3. So this is also 3. So if I went and I showed you this real quick, you could say, Miss B, that's 3. I already know that one. So let's look at a different card right now. How many dots are on this one? Show me with your fingers. That's right, there's only 1 dot on this card. Let's look at another one. Look at that one. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. You're right, there's 4. Can you show me 4 with your fingers? Did you show me this many fingers? That's what I should be seeing. Okay, I've got another card to show you. Boy, you're quick. You're right. There is 1, 2 on the dots on this card. So this 5 frame shows me 2. Can you do that with your fingers? Awesome job, Cookies. One last card. Wow. How many are on this card? Here we go. Help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was that your guess? Can you show me 5 with your fingers? That's right. 5. There are 5 dots on this card. And you guys are going to get so good at knowing what 5 looks like. If I show you this, you'll just go 5. And I'll be going, wow, they're such great mathematicians. Okay, Cookies, we are done with Number Corner today. Don't forget, practice counting to 20. If you can already get to 20 with no help at all, guess what I want you to do? I want you to keep going higher. Keep counting, because guess what? Part of being a kindergartner is learning to count all the way up to 100. You're going to be able to count to 100, and you're going to be able to do it by ones, and guess what? You're going to be able to do it by tens, which is called skip counting. So Cookies, have a great day. I will see you later.